job.
If we go this way?
Yeah, you want to go this way? Oh, some flowers. Look, what colour are they? What colour are they? Blue.
I look at it.
See? Blue flowers. Some nice blue ones.
Ah.
Yeah, nice. Nice blue flowers, hey?
Oh, look at that. Okay, let's go.
Oh, a butterfly there. Where's he going? Watch where he goes. Watch the butterfly. See? Let him land. It's a big, tall tree in here. Wow, it's tall. It's got big leaves, hasn't it? Big leaves. Big.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, let's go. Look at those big leaves. Very big. Big leaves.
A big leaf.
And some nice blue flowers.
Let's go. I'm relaxed. Okay, let's go.
Go. On your marks. Go. It's got thorns on it, hasn't it? That's thorny.
Shit.
They're sharp thorns. Look at that. It's very sharp thorns there. They can hurt your fingers, can't they? They're sharp. Look, this one's got sharp thorns on it too. Very sharp. Ouchie.
Sharp. See? Look, it's sharp.
Can that hurt you?
Yeah, ouchie!
That's right.
Okay.
You gotta be careful.
Oh, that's about ouchie.
It's like a little fern or something, isn't it?
Look.
It's soft, is it, Saxon?
Okay, let's go. Come on.
Want to keep going?
Yeah.
Okay. What is it? It's like some sort of seed or fruits growing on the tree there, isn't it, Saxon?
Seed of fruits.
Yeah, or seeds.
Seed of fruits.
And there's some more over there on that one, look. There's
Seed
heaps.
fruits. There. Oh.
Some red berries there.
Berries. Look. Another tree. Look. Look. Another tree.
That's a vine, isn't
Okay,
it?
put it away.
Yes, put it out of your road. Put it out of the road of the path. Good boy.
Let's go. Go, Daddy.
Okay, let's go. Oh, we've got some yellow flowers here. Yellow ones.
What's this? Daddy?
Yeah?
Look, another one. Go quietly.
On your marks. Get set. Jump. Good jump.
There's more bush. Bee.
There's bees there, yeah. Show me the flowers. Where's the flowers?
A bee.
Mm.
Bug. Bee bug.
A bee buzzing around.
Go back up.
Yeah, look, there's ants here.
Go back up. Come on.
Look at
Daddy.
the... Saxon, come and have a look at the ants. Look. See the ants? See the ants? See? Ants there, they bite you. There's an ant hole there.
Okay, let's go.
See you later, ants.
This one?
Yeah. Oh, you got a big orange there. Bring it here. You take another one off?
This one.
Good job. Thank you very much. Two, how many oranges is there?
1, 2.
What colour are they?
It's orange.
Very good. Alright, let's go.